Okay, so in this video I'm going to walk you through installing MySQL for those who are interested. Okay, this is an option, it's not required, but this is a nice tool if you want to play around with it, and it is free. So I have linked in Canvas to the MySQL community server, so let me just go there, and I think what I'll do, now I am on a 64-bit machine, but most of us are at the time of this recording. So I'm going to go to I'm going to use the MSI installer. That'll be like a wizard, and it'll be a pretty easy installation process. So I'll go to that download page. And again, I am on a 64-bit machine, but I think these will be okay, even though they say 32-bit. I'll just grab the first one here, and that is going to download the installer. Okay. Oh, you know what? You could just say no thanks, or you don't have to sign up or anything. Okay. So then what I'll do is I'm going to launch the installer. Okay. Say yes. And then, okay. So here we are going to, I'm not going to install all of the bells and whistles. I think I'm just going to install the server, which will be enough for us. And I'll do next, and I'll just keep going. Okay, maybe I'll pause this video until this is done. Okay, so that's step completed. I'm going to click next. So this is really just like a wizard. Okay, I think I'll pause that. Okay, so that step is done. Moving on. So now I'm going to configure, and this is where you'll have to make a couple of adjustments here. So I think we're okay here. I don't have to do anything. We'll just keep all the defaults. And okay, so it's telling us to create a password. So if this is just your home machine, you can use something simple. It's not like, we have to be mindful of, security or anything. This is just you playing around at home on your own machine, then I wouldn't worry too much about it. Hopefully it'll let me use a weak password. Okay, it is weak, but that's fine. I don't care for the purpose I'm using this for. So then we will... I think I can skip the user accounts, and it'll just be an admin account that I'm going to log in with, which was the password I just created. I don't think I want to start the server when Windows starts. I would uncheck that. I don't think you need to do that. So the rest of this is okay, and I think we'll go ahead and execute that. And really, you want all green checks here. So hopefully it'll be smooth sailing. Okay. And I think we're okay. Okay, so now that I have installed and configured the MySQL server correctly, I'm going to show you how to launch it. You would go into your, your start menu or whatever. If you don't see it, now mine is already pinned, but if you type in MySQL, you can see we're going to use the command line client in these videos, my tutorial videos. So you just type in the password. Now this is the weak password that I gave it when I set it up. And now here I am. I'm ready to start typing my code statements, which I do in later videos.